Ayun, good evening, July 8, 2024. Clarify ko lang ulit tong video na to. Matagal na to eh. Pero nandito kasi yung vision mission ng PAI na sinabi nila na for everyday people. Tapos bakit daw hindi Bitcoin na lang yung i-mine? Kasi nga daw mahirap sa technical. Kailangan magaling ka sa computer. Magaling ka sa mga code, parang ganun pag Bitcoin. Sa Pi Network, cellphone lang tapos pinipindot lang, yun na yun. Ginawa nilang madali tapos ito na lang, panoorin niyo yung video. Malinaw yung vision nila para sa Pi tsaka para sa mga everyday people. At ayaw nila ng investors.
Pi Network. Cheng Yao, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you for having me.
I want to begin and just ask you, what is it about Pi Network, if you had to explain it to a novice, that makes it so unique and advantageous for crypto investors?
Oh, first of all, our target audience is not necessarily investors. Pi is a utility token. We're targeting actually everyday people. Actually, one of the mission of Pi is making cryptocurrency and blockchain technology as accessible as possible. And accessibility includes that how can we minimize the barrier to entry. Barrier to entry includes financial barrier to entry, which is referring to the investment part. That's part of the reason why Bitcoin is hard to enter later. Because it's so high, it requires a lot of money to enter for many ordinary people. Another aspect of barrier is technical barrier. That's why we make it easy to mine, and we make it most accessible in current day is through a phone.
Great. So as I understand it, the Pi coin can only be mined on the Pi network. So why would I want to mine that coin instead of just the Bitcoin, which is, the one that everybody, and their mother wants to be in?
Well, to follow from my last answer, basically the two reasons. One is it's free. Everyone, as long as you are willing to.
Putol po talaga yan. Nilagay ko lang yung important na sinabi. Lagay ko dyan sa baba yung ibang part.